Jai Sri Swaminarayan friends, welcome to our e-learning class of Google. Friends, in our last video, we have discussed about natural and cultural heritage of our country. Today, we are going to learn the difference between cultural heritage and natural heritage. So here, first of all, we will see cultural heritage. So cultural heritage includes palaces, structures, stupas, temples, mosques, etc. So these are our cultural heritage. Then natural heritage. So natural heritage includes mountains, forests, deserts, etc. So all these things are included in natural heritage. Now we will see here the definition of cultural heritage. So cultural heritage is created by man. That means cultural heritage is constructed or created by human being, whereas natural heritage is created by naturally. That means natural heritage cannot be created by any man or any human beings. It is an invaluable gift of our ancestors. That means the cultural heritage is the gift of our ancestors or our forefathers, which is given to us. Whereas in natural heritage, it is an invaluable gift of our nature. That means this is the gift of nature to human being. We can create it. Cultural heritage, we can create it. That means we can create structures, stupas, temples, mosques, palaces, etc. Whereas natural heritage cannot be created by human beings. So it can be created naturally. Now friends, we will learn about the cultural heritage of Gujarat. In previous videos, we have seen cultural heritage of our country, and in this topic, we will learn about cultural heritage of Gujarat. So, as we know that in Gujarat, many places are located which have religious as well as cultural importance. So here, first we will see places having cultural and archaeological importance. That means these heritage are important archaeologically. First number is here Lothal, which is located in Dholka Taluka. Then second number is Rangpur, which is located in Surendranagar. Third number Dholavira, which is located in Kutch district. Then fourth Srinathgarh, which is located in Rajkot district. So all these places or regions are important in our state. Many people are visited of these places throughout the year. Now friends, we will see here some important tourism spots having historical values. As we know, in our state there are many places which has a historical ideas or historical messages. So first number is here Victory Tower of Vadnagar. Second number Sun Temple of Modera. So you may learn about Sun Temple of Modera in detail in your further lessons. Then Gate of Champaner, Rudra Mahalaya of Siddhapur, Jama Masjid of Ahmedabad, Sekin Tower of Ahmedabad, Sidi Sayyid Jali of Ahmedabad, then Sahasraling Lake of Patan. So all these places have historical values as well as historical opinions. Now friends, we will discuss some religious important place. For example, here given Dwarkadish temple of Dwarka. So this temple is dedicated to Lord Sri Krishna, which is located in the Gujarat. Then Somnath temple. So this temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva, and this temple is one of the our Jyotirling. Then Ambaji temple of North Gujarat, then Ranthambore temple of Dapur. So these temples are religious importance. In thousands of people are visited during whole year. Now fourth one, well-known religious, social and tourism places and events. So first number here is a polo forest in Vijayanagar, kite festival, then Kankaria Carnival of Ahmedabad. So Kankaria Carnival is one of the best carnival of our state, and every year it is arranged in our state. Many people are visited it. Then Tanariri festival of Vadnagar. So Tanariri festival is celebrated on the remember two sisters Tana and Riri. Then Ranotsav of Kutch district. Now Jain and Buddhist tourist place. So Jain and Buddhist caves can be seen in our Gujarat, and these caves are located in Vadnagar, then Taranga, Khambhalia, Samlaji, Koteshwar, Talaja, etc. These caves are located in these places or region, and these caves are important for Jain religion as well as Buddhist religion. Apart from these two religions, another religions people are also visited to these places. Now friends, we will see fairs of Gujarat. As we know, Gujarati people are fond of fairs, and many fairs are also in our state. So here given some popular fairs of our state. We have here information of place of fairs as well as tithi. That means on which date or on which time these fairs are arranged in our state. So first number here is Modera Fair. So Modera Fair is held in our Mehsana district, and it is arranged on third week of January. Then second number, Bahusaraji Fair. So the place of fair is Bahusaraji, which is also in Mehsana, and the tithi of this fair is Chaitra Sud Punam. Now Samlaji Fair. So this fair is arranged in Arvalli, and the tithi of this fair is Kartik Sud Agyaras to Amas. Then Bhadarvi Punam Fair, which is arranged in Banaskantha, and this fair is arranged on Bhadarvi Punam. So this fair is the most popular fair of our Gujarat. Then Bhavnath Mahadev Fair. So this fair is arranged in Girnar, located in Junagadh, and this fair is arranged on Maghwad, Nom to Baras. Now Tarnetar Fair. So Tarnetar Fair is arranged in Surendranagar district, and this fair is arranged on first week of Bhadrapad, and the Tarnetar Fair is a popular fair of our state. Then Bhadiyad Fair. So Bhadiyad Fair is arranged in Bhadiyad, which is a city of Ahmedabad, and this fair is arranged in Rajab month. Then Naklang Fair. Naklang Fair is arranged in Bhavnagar, and this fair is also arranged on Bhadravad Amas. Then Madhavpur Fair, which is also most popular fair of our Gujarat. It is arranged in Porbandar district, and this fair is arranged on Nom to Teras. Vautha Fair. So this fair is arranged in Dholka, which is in Ahmedabad, and this fair is arranged on Kartak Sud Punam. Now, Miradatar fair. So this fair is arranged in Unja, and this fair is also arranged on Rajab month. Then Dang's Darbar fair in Ahwa of Dang district. This fair is arranged on Falgun Sud Punam. Now Kol Gateda fair. So this fair is arranged in Dahod, and this fair is arranged after 5 to 6 days of Holi. Kartik Purnima fair. This fair is arranged in Somnath, which is in Gir, and this fair is arranged on Falgun Sud Punam. Then Banguria fair. So this fair is arranged in Chota Udaipur and Quant, and this fair is arranged from Holi to Rang Panchami. Thank you.